Hello guys, I'm a little shy, so I speak very quietly, as the PA told me earlier. So my name is Albert Correa. Uh, I was born in Gambia. I'm half Portuguese, half Gambian, and I grew up in London, and I'm working and living in the United States, in the Silicon Valley. And I'm a Googler. I work for Google and I work for YouTube. So I'm a content data analyst, and I'll just give you a brief how I came across Maro's page. I think you must have known that there's a lot of haters that keep reporting his page. I think they reported a page for nudity, that he was on the beach. He had his shirt off, and so my manager called me because he had Maro's accent, and he thought Maro was African. So I looked at the page and I saw Kenya because he was saying he's from Kenya, and that's how I realized he's from Kenya. So I told him, yeah, he's African, he's from Kenya, and he looked at the people that were reporting, and they're all from Kenya and Nigeria. So I basically called Aaron Dante. When Aaron was here, I spoke to him and I asked him about Maro. So Aaron told me, that Maro was doing great things, but people were really, trying to sabotage him. And I started communicating with Aaron, and I told him, I think I'll talk to my manager, and I definitely want to go to Kenya and see for myself, if this is real. Because when I heard about him doing a 30-day party, I thought it'd be nice to come and see for myself, and obviously see what we can, help Maro with in the following, like next year. So we're working to see if we can bring YouTube and hopefully Netflix to do a documentary about Maro. I haven't really spoken because I was just observing. I just came to observe. I'm not a YouTuber. I don't have a YouTube channel. I'm only here to observe and record what I see and report. So if obviously everything goes well, next year this will be bigger and better.
Thank you. Wow. I wish the boss was here.
But I want to advise you guys too on how to create content, because I've noticed that there's a lot of violations you guys are doing. There's a lot of things you guys are doing. I have 2 people that were demonetized because they're reusing content. They're sharing the same content with everybody else, and that's a violation. So when you make content, if you have similarities, always try to add extra. Go outside, do extra, and don't post the same content, because the first person that posts the content is the legal owner, or is the rightful owner of the content. So if I and T, did the same content and I posted first, I own the content. If she posted, it will be copyright. So it's reuse. And
you're recording right now.
So and then the second thing I
Somebody's
noticed,
lives.
they're slaughtering animals, like they're killing animals over there. People are live streaming and making videos. That's a violation. YouTube doesn't allow killing of animals because not everybody eats animals. Some people are animal rights protesters. They don't want to see any animal being killed. So if you live stream or you basically video the killing of a chicken or the killing of a cow or whatever, that's a violation. And I've also noticed that, the music, people just live stream, and they're doing the same interviews all over. Everybody they see, it's always the same interview. Oh, what do you think of Marwa's house? I definitely don't think that's content. Okay, I don't think that's content. I think, people I've actually had interviews with a few people, but it's the same questions they keep asking. How do you feel about Marwa's villa Medellin? Yeah, I'm like, that's not content. So the party's over, go outside, look for things. There's a lot of cultural stuff here. I actually could make 10 videos in one day here, and I would generate more views because I noticed there's a lot of cultural stuff here that you could, showcase the Maasai. Like when I met the Maasai, I really fell in love with it. So today, they're actually doing a GoFundMe to take him to America.
Wow.
Next year.
Wow.
So, those are the kind of things that I really want to, sorry, I'm a little bit nervous.
You're okay?
Yeah, those are the things that I want to emphasize on. Find content. Don't, even if it's boring, just make it, bring your personality to it. Look at my hymno. I mean, people just follow him, not because of his English or because of anything, but he's funny. He makes them laugh. People are in America, they're very bored, they don't have anything to do. So if you make them sit for 1 hour and just laugh, they will send you money. If you need money and they see that you need help, they will help you. And that's exactly what content creation is all about. It's not, about focusing on the villa. The party's over. I don't even expect people to come back here. I expect you guys to go out, find content, even like the ants on the roof. Talk about them, study about the ants, and tell people how the African ants, how they operate, and show them. That's all they want to see. They don't want to see the villa or the clouds or anything else. So those are the little things that I saw, and I thought I would share with you guys.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Have a good day, and I felt like, Karim said, he said, she said, Marwa helped you guys, so you also help him. That's the whole concept here. He's shown you how to be compassionate, how to share what you have, and how to respect elders and everybody. Like I see him shaking everybody's hand. He's not well, but every time he comes out, I'll sit there and I'm just watching. He will shake everybody's hand, and that's what life is all about. It's not about you acting big, but you showing that you're better than everybody else. All right, so thank you guys, and let's party. Let's enjoy.
Hey, wait, let me ask you something.
The best picture.
Guys, you've just been told when you are recording a video and everybody's doing the same type of content. Nobody mnaendelea kurecord. Rather, she's doing a live stream. Somebody's doing a live stream, so she's the original all of the content. What happens next? You have a manager, nasto. So you know somebody that knows YouTube.
I think the best thing here is you can add on top of your content.
Yes. Yeah, so guys, please, if you are making content.
One second, let me say this. So, I have one suggestion. Why don't you guys form like with the help of Marwa, form an association or a guild, we call it in YouTube, whereby you all would share like a WhatsApp or whatever, and help each other, and have one person manage you guys as a president. And that way, even if you have to contribute a little bit towards, paying somebody to manage the whole, that way I think it's better. Then you would know who are the haters and who are the good people and who are the bad people. Because if people start acting up, you can all embarrass them on the page. And if they're doing good, you basically reward them. I think that's a good start. Like you have a guild and you work on collaborating together. It's not a competition. Everybody will have their share. YouTube is for everybody. It's not just for one person. Today you can have like $1,000. Tomorrow you could be a millionaire. I've seen people that had nothing for a whole year. The second year they end up having like millions, So be consistent, put quality content. Don't be sharing stuff Just put quality content, you'll be all right. All right?